Hi Sejal, this is another vlog. Welcome to another vlog. So I am basically right now I am packing. That's my suitcase. I am going to Bombay tomorrow for 6 days. Today is the 11th of Feb. No, tomorrow is the 11th of Feb. I'll be back on the 17th. I'm going for a shoot with Zivame. So थोड़ा मैं उसका भी vlog कर दूँगी. Last vlog भी यही same चीज़ थी कि मैं बॉम्बे जा रही थी trip के लिए. Pretty much the same. Today I had a jam session with my guitarist friend Vinod, who played the guitars for Khali Khali, and he was in the Aisi Hu live performance video. He's really sweet, and he's one of the few people that I've jammed with. So he came over. Destiny comes out tomorrow. Very excited. Actually not that excited. I'm very chill about it. मतलब normally हो रहा है ऐसा कुछ. Last influence के पहले मेरी फट रही थी, but अभी मैं बिल्कुल chill हूँ. Everything's in order, you know. मुझे finally final video मिल गई है. My team, my amazing team has already sent the music out. Music will be out on all streaming platforms tomorrow. Streamline videos done, teasers out. Merch, guys, merch है हमारे पास. My team has an amazing company that helps us make merch, so that's also Streamline. This is also call out. Go check out the merch. It's on the store on YouTube channel. On this YouTube channel, go check it out. And since I'm leaving, मैं कल जा रही हूँ, तो I won't be here with any of my friends. And हमने last गाने के लिए भी celebration किया था for influence. I threw a party, which was like, I'm never gonna host a party ever again because everyone gets really drunk and they ruin my house and बाद में सफाई करनी पड़ती है. And honestly, I also don't like getting too drunk or like drinking too much anymore because it really messes with my throat. And since I'm singing and recording so much, I don't want to mess with my throat. So yeah, Bharat is coming over right now and we're gonna do some little celebration तो मुझे करनी है for Destiny because yeah, I'm gonna be alone tomorrow shooting. I am recording vocals. So like I said in my last vlog, there are 2 remaining songs for the EP. 2 last बचे हैं. Okay, should I just tell you the names, guys? Let's do it. Okay, fuck it. No one cares about my big secret. This song is called Expired, and this song is all about. So I wrote it when I turned 26. I recorded one version of it, and I didn't like it. So changed the song completely with my co-writer Natanya, and we came up with a new fresh version for it. Yeah, this basically when I turned 26, I started feeling like the whole world is like calling me old. As soon as someone asks me my age, they're like, oh, like my achievements are just not relevant anymore because I'm 26, and this whole song is about that, like don't expire me basically. So right now, Mira mic, as you know, is always set up in my room. I'm just finishing like a rough version of the song so that my producer Austin can like work on finishing touches of the production, and then I'll meet with Saptak to finalize the vocals. अच्छे से vocals record करेंगे. तो अभी तो मैं rough भेज रही हूँ. They make like a rough skeleton of it, and then when we're good with that, so we'll finish the major production. So yeah, actually so much of my time goes in like music related stuff these days that I just don't credit myself enough because I'm just like हाँ ये तो मैं fun के लिए कर रही हूँ, and this is actually like taking up quite a lot of my day. Did the jamming thing today. I wrote like 2 songs yesterday randomly, and now I'm recording rough vocals. So this is pretty fun. Like I'm having so much fun doing this thing, so I'm just like not giving it enough credit, you know. The clocks are ticking bombs. I can help them going off. I hear them going tick tick tock. Hi Bharat. You literally look the same in every vlog. Topi and the same mask. Office जा रहा है. So yo, what are we doing today?
We are celebrating the release of your new song.
Yay! So we have a really nice basketball court in my colony. This is the nicest basketball court that I have ever seen. I'm thinking I should maybe bring my ball down so we can play a little bit. I am exploring NFTs. I've been thinking about NFTs for a really long time. Have you guys heard about NFTs? I want to get into NFTs and put out NFTs. कितनी बार बोलूँ NFTs? Yeah, so I'm watching videos about it. It's been on my mind to make an NFT for my cover art for the songs or maybe the album cover art. So have you guys heard of NFTs? Should I make it?
What is the full form of NFTs?
Non-fungible token. मतलब बेवकूफ नहीं हूँ मैं.
Test नहीं कर रहा था मैं बस. For my information, I don't know what the full form was.
Oh yeah, okay. What is the full form of NFT?
Non-fungible token.
You just heard me. Okay,
Literally what I said.
Okay, hi guys, so I'm on the flight and I met Aisha, who watches my videos. I love her. And very coincidentally sitting next to me is very kind. And we're sitting next to each other having food. So yeah. guys, so I have made it to Bombay. I am in my team's office at One Digital Entertainment's office, and I'm getting ready to shoot merch for you guys. We have new merch, which is the Destiny merch, so getting ready to shoot it. Also, this room that they have is so awesome. I forgot to bring makeup from home, and my nose, like, you know, it's infected again, and there's like gross stuff on it, so I'm quite irritated. But yeah, we will make it work. I've borrowed makeup from people, lipstick and stuff. Okay, so I am with the team that's going to be styling me tomorrow. Hi. Guys, introduce yourself.
I'm Zainab. Hi, I'm Sushmita. Hi, I'm Jeetan.
So they picked out like these amazing outfits for me, and I'm just like, this is the nicest like dress that I've ever worn in my life. So we picked out some really awesome outfits. I'm gonna put them here, and we'll see what we wear tomorrow. I'll see you guys tomorrow. In the show Engineering Girls, it did so much for my personal experience as a creative person, and I love working with the team, and बहुत सही था. I've made so many friends, and I love the team, and happy dance. I'm showing Prajakta before the song comes out.
How good do you look, bro?
Thank you.
Who styled you?
Guys, so I'm here at my shoot location, and this is Mud Island, no? Yeah.
This is
Yeah. So we're here, Mud Island, and the beach is behind me. And there's like an engagement photo shoot thing happening. We just saw someone propose to someone. It's so cute. I don't think मुझे उनका footage लेना चाहिए. It's very invasive, but the beach is nice. So I'm getting my makeup done. I have Sangeeta with me, who's doing my makeup today. Good morning, good hello. She has the nicest energy. She's so sweet. So abhi we're gonna start with the hair, and we have some fun outfits and some fun makeup looks I'm gonna show you in a second. So my makeup is complete. Sangeeta ma'am is eating fruits, and she's done very pretty makeup on me, and she also did the hair, like spiky Bella Hadid kind of hair, and my outfit is also done. Meet my co-star for this project, Sarah.
I've been told to be chill. You're being chill.
So Sarah and my mom have this connection. They went on this yoga trip together, so that's how I know her from before. It's so nice to see you, and you look really cool. I love your outfit with the heels and the distressed pants and the blazer. It looks damn cool.
Thanks. I had nothing to do with it.
Awesome. Hi Bharat. Bharat came to Bombay. Bharat's going to the US soon. He's leaving the country and going back to where he belongs. So he came to Bombay to chill with me for a couple of days, which is very nice of him. Are tu piya heart kosho? There was a heart on this hot chocolate because it's Valentine's Day today. B-Day. Okay, so I ordered avocado toast because I wanted to be fancy. Oh yeah, whatever. Zyada mat bak. We get it, you're from the US, you don't have to show off. He's drinking hot chocolate when it's already so hot in Bombay. You're like, you're mad. So we're watching Gehraiya. मैं पिछले 4 दिन से wait कर रही हूँ to watch this movie. And इसके अभी काफ़ी reviews भी आ गए हैं, but I have strong willpower that I'm not going to watch any of the reviews or anything. So I want to see the movie. तो हम finally देखने वाले हैं. Bharat, are you excited to watch the movie? Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? I don't. Is it? ये चाहिए होता है for digital movies. I've never seen that before. I am going to Delhi to meet my friend, my best friend from school. She's come back after a long time, so all of her like a couple of our school friends हम लोग Delhi में मिल रहे हैं, so that's fun. And today after I come back, I am recording the second last song for the EP. This song is called Expired. So right now what I'm doing is I actually get really stressed when I have 2-3 things to do in the day and there's traveling involved. I feel like I'll get really tired. But what I'm doing right now is that मेरे पास instrumental है with the lyrics of the song and my scratch, like my rough demo on it. So I'm just listening to it over and over again, and I've just been, you know, warming up my voice since morning so that I'm ready when we have to record in the evening. And I'm just thinking of, you know, how I want to sing, what different ad-libs we can do, because while recording we do a lot of like creative stuff. For anyone who missed Delhi in my last vlog or in the last section of this vlog, I missed Delhi. I love Delhi. back in my room and we're doing the recording today. I have 2 songs left, so one is Expired. This song का concept मेरा सबसे favorite concept है. Actually, this was the song I wanted to release first, but वो बनते बनते बना नहीं, and I'm finally we're recording it today. And I'm so happy because only 2 more songs are left for this album to be fucking complete. It has taken so long, a year almost of effort. So yeah, Saptak's here. He's gonna come back. We've set everything up. My recording studio, guys. Actually, this works so well. I'm honestly so surprised. Just my cupboard and my mic. This is my own mic stand and mic, so I'm happy I bought this stuff. Then yeah. So all of this gets connected into this. This basically connects the audio from the mic, and if you have different instruments, and it goes into the laptop. So that's how we do it. Let's do it.
And like a crowd singing. La, la, la. So nice.
The la la la.
It sounds so good.
New today.
Yeah. So first time is da, 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 da. Second time is da, da, da.
So imagine if in the live it starts like la 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 la. Okay, hello everybody. I am with Kuhu. You guys have seen her so many times. She is a makeup artist and she works a lot with me, and we're in her salon. So she and her family, they run a chain of salons called Noi Salon. So they are my friends now, and I'm here. Actually, I'm shooting 2 music videos in the next week. I'm going to the US in April, so I want to finish all my work before going. So 2 music videos I'm shoot करें, उसके लिए I want to try different hair. So
basic extensions हैं, but yes.
No, it's cool. I just wanted to try long hair, and we'll just give it a go. So I'm here in the chair. Let's see what it looks like. I'm excited for long hair. ये enough वो है ना panels ताकि लंबे हो जाएं.
I think हो जाएगा.
Yay, I haven't had hair till here in like forever.
I was thinking for one of the looks we could go for like that Doja Cat ponytail.
Oh yeah.
It'd be so cool.
This is exciting. I'm not going to show what it looks like in the end because and there's no point because video देखने के में मज़ा ही नहीं आएगा. So stay tuned for the video. भारत ने वसाबी खा लिया है. So we're at a restaurant and यहाँ पे एक बहुत interesting चीज़ on the menu. दही बटाटा पूरी with wasabi in it. This is a restaurant called Comorin in One Horizon Center in Gurgaon. And Bharat is freaking out. What? Cool banda hai because camera on ho gaya. Nice, nice, very nice. Not a fussy person like Bharat. And I'm chill. I'm having chamomile tea and I'm having the dahi batata puri. I'm not drinking coffee because I have a recording tomorrow and I didn't want to drink any alcohol also. It's a Sunday, but I have a recording tomorrow, so I'm preserving my throat because I have to be disciplined so that I can sound nice tomorrow in tomorrow's recording. Alcohol and coffee really dries out your throat, so I'm not happy. See if you appreciate my discipline in life. So we have the best table in the restaurant. मुझे side by side बैठने में बहुत अच्छा लगता है. Whoever I'm coming out with opposite feels really intimidating. Alexa, stop. So I made Bharat listen to the rough version of my last song from the album, which is called Expired. How does it sound? Rough है वो. मैंने घर पे record करे हैं वो vocals rough.
Dude.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's your best song, I agree.
You got me believing in destiny.